Welcome back to Australian Mining's weekly news wrap. I'm journalist Vicky Valadakis. In more sad news this week, 2 workers in Queensland's Surat Basin have died in separate incidents. A 29-year-old man has died as a result of crush injuries at Origin Energy's Reedy Creek worksite on Monday. The man was an employee of WDS Limited, a contracting company undertaking pipeline gathering work for Origin on behalf of AP LNG, which is building a new LNG facility on Curtis Island. WDS Limited CEO Terry Chapman said that the company was shocked and saddened to learn of the fatality. Construction activities in the immediate vicinity of the incident have been suspended and an investigation has been launched. Also in the Surat Basin, a 34-year-old Oswald brother contractor has been found dead in his donga. The man was found in his room at the construction project at Yurumbar Creek after failing to appear at a morning meeting. Oswald said it was working with police and ambulance services to determine the circumstances surrounding the man's death and had offered counselling to its staff. Oswald is also contracted by Origin Energy. Our thoughts are with both of the man's family and friends during this difficult time. In a clear-cut case of do first and think later, 3 workers have been sacked from BHP Billiton's Mount Whaleback mine in Western Australia after using industrial equipment to enact the Ice Bucket Challenge craze that has swept social media. The workers were sacked on Wednesday following a week-long investigation into the incident, which occurred at the end of a night shift at around 5:30 a.m. on August 30. It has been reported that 2 high-ab cranes were used to lift a wheelie bin carrying 100 litres of water and then pour it over a worker's head. In case you've been living under a rock, the Ice Bucket Challenge went viral on social media during July and August this year, with more than 1.2 million videos shared on Facebook. BHP Billiton confirmed 3 workers had been let go following a breach of safety regulations. This is not the first time a social media craze has cost mine workers their jobs. In March 2013, around 15 workers were sacked for doing the Harlem Shake dance while working underground. That's all from us for this week. Look forward to catching you again next week for our weekly news wrap. See you then.